Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. Today is January the 19th and the chart of the day for today is copper. Here is a 45 minutes time frame and we're looking for the metal to extend higher here. We ended with 4 at the last low 4.375 here, and so we seems to be starting a new leg higher, and the structure looks to be impulsive so far. Okay, so there are two options: either we are ending one with a pullback and higher again, or else 1 and 2 ended here. Now I tend to like this one better, since this one was so shallow here. Sometimes it can happen like this, sometimes in a very strong market, and then this one will accelerate in the 3. But since this one was so shallow as a wave 2, again I would prefer for the time being to look at it this way. Okay, now if we look at the higher time frame in copper, right, first of all, if I go to the daily time frame, you notice here copper actually made a new all-time high not too long ago, right? And therefore there is no question what the trend is, what the right side is. This is as clear as possible. This is bullish, right? There's no question as this is bullish or bearish. This is obviously bullish. Now all kind of pullback, all kind of sell-off is fine. That is a counter trend, right? And so we just recently, now if you just take a look at the daily time frame here, guys, right, you notice here no bullish market, no impulsive move will end in 3 ways, right? So this so far is a clear 3 ways to me. I don't know about you guys, but this one is a clear 3 ways to me. So no impulsive move and in 3 waves unless it is doing a flat from here, A, B, C. But I have zero reason to expect to be doing a flat unless I force my bias and I'm bearish, you know, in the commodities. I force myself, and then, oh, even though it makes new high, it must be a flat because I'm bearish. Now a lot of waivers like to do that, but we don't. All right, when it makes new high, we don't force our bias, then that means it's clearly bullish because it makes new high above the previous peak. So that means this is more likely a new impulsive move up. And so far we only have 3 waves, so we know that it is not complete, and eventually we should be extending higher and break above the previous peak, right? So simply let's try to just label this 1, 2, 3, right? And that means the current pullback here, right, if you use a retracement here, it is almost 50%. Almost 50%. That's more than enough to be some sort of wave 4, right? If you are looking this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, this could be 1, 2, 1, 2, by the way, but for now let's call it 1, 2, 3, 4. Then they should be the pullback should be deep enough to basically finish a wave 4 from this low and then starts to rally higher, right? And if I look at the 4 hour over here, I'm just copying the wave 4, right, Y04 here, Y04. So that means if this is Y04, this will be my X and W, right? And this is gonna be wave 3 higher, right? And over here, it is ending this at the 100% extension area, right? So 4.162, 4.44. So as a result, right now we have already reached the 100% extension, starting to turn higher, and the extension higher looks impulsive, right? So that seems to be in the first leg of the move up. At least should have a follow-up with one more push higher again. Okay, and here we got a breakout above the trend line, again suggesting the cycle can be over. If you look at the RSI, also seems to have broken the trend line as well, again suggesting the cycle could be over, which is what we are calling. So now the cycle is over in the cycle, and then basically the expectation is we should be looking for the rally at minimum, and the rally, it looks impulsive. So I think for minimum expectation, we can expect at least a 3 rally from here, at least continuation higher. And I think if you look at the larger time frame, which is bullish, then there is even another chance that this is not just a 3 rally, but it's going to actually make a new high. All right, so that is the idea for copper here, guys. As always, if you want to get more updates on commodities, forex, indices, stock, ETF, feel free to check our service. We have for the index trial, and the link is in the description of the video. So see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.